Moisture Lock Conditioner L Series provides softness, shine, moisture, protects natural or artificial hair color, reduces dryness, and increases elasticity by absorbing radiation and UV rays. Our natural moisture-rich formula contains keratin, argan oil, omega-3 and 6, with an abundance of botanical nutrients.
Moisture Lock Conditioner L Series. This is a product formulated for fine hair, repairing and strengthening the hair follicle. This product will help you maintain a weightless volume. It contains 100% natural ingredients such as amalaki oil, wheat germ, proteins, vegan omega-3 and 6, vitamin C and B5. That soften and protect the natural and artificial color of the hair by giving it elasticity. It is an excellent keratin retainer that delicately softens the hair strand while respecting its structure. 320 Pure contains Baruti fruit oil, which is considered the richest natural source of beta-keratin, with properties that absorb ultraviolet rays, reducing dryness and increasing elasticity. Moisture Lock Conditioner L Series is the new household essential. Always a natural solution in your shower. Join us at rev320.com or 320pure.com.